line 2, we have some notes here. It's just saying, basically the translation is saying, go to Vrindavan with love. That's the basic line. Go to Brindatavin Manusara Pranayena Cheta. Go to Vrindavan with pran, with love. So when we come, what my note is, when I say when we come to Vrindavan, we should follow the way of loving service. Raganuga Bhakti Anusara Pranaya. So this is, when he's saying Anusara Pranayena, Anusara Pranayena means to Anusara, follow, the way of love. So the way of love is Raganuga Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti, we have that phrase, Raganuga Bhakti means the path of attachment. You're attached because you're attracted. You're attracted because you're interested and you have feelings. So the way of attachment is actually the way of love. In the Vidhimarg or Vidhimarg, we have the idea and concept that love is the goal. Prema Pumartha Mahan. Prema Pumartha Mahan. That, yes, the goal of life is Krishna Prem, and we say it after Tulsi Puja. If anyone avoids, after the 10 offenses, anyone avoids these 10 offenses will attain Krishna Prem. So we know that that's the Param Gati, that's the Prayojana, that's the goal, Krishna Prem. We know it, and we're trying in our own way to attain it. But when some actual attachment for that prema, an attachment for the Prem Sarup and Prem Sarupini of Radha and Krishna comes in the heart, genuine attachment, then that's called rag. And that rag creates certain desires, it creates certain interests, it creates certain enthusiasm, it creates certain taste. And that's the very proof that rag has arisen in your heart. That's why it's very rare. They could even advertise, here's free tickets to Vrindavan. Anybody that promises to practice Rag Bhakti. I'll give a free air ticket to anybody, round trip ticket to Vrindavan, if you go to Vrindavan and promise to practice Raganuga Bhakti. And so everybody will take the free ticket. But when they get here, the examiner will go around and say, you don't have rag. You don't have rag. Get back. Go back. So even if you offered free tickets, everyone may take, but who actually has? Because that's what I've seen. It's actually very rare. Because in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, in the Purva Vibhag, Eastern Division, chapter 2, verse 309, he's telling there, Rupa Goswami Pad is telling that Krishna Kripaya, he says that this Krishna Kripaya or Bhakta Kripaya, that one only attains, first he says Raganuga Bhakti Prapti, one only attains Raganuga Bhakti or takes up Raganuga Bhakti by the mercy of Kripaya, by the mercy of Krishna or Krishna's devotee.